Hey everyone and welcome. One of the most confusing topic that people face is the difference between color correction and color grading. So don't worry, we will highlight this topic. Color correction is used in documentaries to make everything look real and clean by balancing exposure, white balance, contrast like you can see here. Okay, whereas in color grading it is used in fictional movies and can be described as painting an image in a new way. It involves a lot of creativity, like which you are going to see in this video. So this is a video of the mountains and water. Now after color grading this, we get something like this. So isn't it interesting? And one more thing, people always think that color grading is much better than color correction, but this is not the case. We always do both the things, that is color correction and color grading, to make a video or a film look better. After color correction of this video, we get something like this. So we did a color correction because we wanted to make it look real, and whereas in color grading it involves creativity and it involves a lot of hard work which you will automatically develop while completing this course. So let's meet in the next video.